Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch should be paired with your phone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the account icon in the top left corner. Then select the Sense 2 from the list of devices. And here, find the option called Notifications and tap on it. If you see any pop-ups about the permissions, you need to allow them for the notifications to work. For example, we need to allow the notification access. So we need to tap on Enable Notification Service. It will redirect you to notification access. Tap on Fitbit 2. Tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access. Tap on Allow. And if you see more pop-ups about the permission, make sure to allow them. And now we can enable and disable the notifications for different features like calls, text messages. We can also select the default messaging app, calendar events. We can enable them or disable them and select the default calendar app. And I believe we have the emails. Again, we can enable them or disable them and select the default app. And then we have the app notifications. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for specific applications. Basically how it works is if you enable the notifications, for example, for Bolt Food, and you will receive the notification from Bolt Food on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if it's disabled, you will only see the notification on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. And that's how it works. Okay, now select the apps you want to see the notifications from on your watch. For example, I'm gonna select I don't have Discord here. I wanted to show you how it works. So let me quickly install the Discord and log in. Okay, let's open the Discord, log in, and I'm gonna show you and that it should work. So okay, once we install Discord, we can open the Fitbit app again. Actually, let's reopen it. So like this, tap on the account, tap on Sense, tap on Notifications, tap on App Notifications, and on the list, let's find Discord, select it. And once you select the app, you should be able to receive the notifications from it on the watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and we should get it on our watch. But, oh no, we have it as you can see. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.